What's going on, people? What's up, everybody out there, man? Heat for Days 23. Got a unboxing review for y'all on some Heat sleepers. Heat on a budget, I guess you could say. I waited till nighttime to do this because of the shoes. I'll show you guys in a minute. Also, uploaded the CP3 PE Sleeper Jordan 1 vid, tumbled, nubuck, crazy good quality. I should get those. Did a very descriptive on the Superman Bronze 6s requested. The Yeezy joints, Boost 750s, some other stuff, man. Before we start, that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I might just hit you guys with, I'm hitting y'all with way too many videos. We need some support. So some of you guys that enjoy what we're doing as far as the professional lighting, descriptive videos, tell your friends to subscribe. Okay. Y'all can see we got a lab box. Good double boxing. This. I showed you guys the video on the lab ones. Black, silver, metallic, reflective. These are the 4 lab ones. $10.5 US, $9.5 UK, $185 box price. These are the green glow joints, glow reflective, silver, black, white, translucent. See how the box is. Anybody? These shoes are heat, man. I was sleeping on them, and I'm gonna just keep copping them. See the stamp. The lab paper for this joint. Which is these. Man. These things are off the hook. You're gonna get the best videos right here with this professional lighting, like I said. Very descriptive. But you gotta get these in hand. Look at them at the boutique. You know, they all come with a little lab certificate type of joint. Bam. Shoe tree. I'm starting the prices to go up on these, but they're still kind of sleeping on them. So now, for you guys who don't know, the lab line is combining 2 shoes and lab 1 out. This is the 4 lab 1, meaning we take the netting from the Air Jordan 4 and we lab out the whole shoe. 4 lab 1. 4, I hope I didn't say 11. The netting. There's no stitching. It's all one forged piece, the whole shoe. But you're still descriptive from the toe cap to the swoosh to the ankle to the heel to the Jordan. See the quality labbed into a 1. Black laces, really good quality laces. The gray tips to match. See the outer 1 Nike. The outer is of course very icy blue, but like a Gatorade, Powerade with a lot of ice and mixed with water. Icy light blue, which glows in the dark real hard. The mid is white rugged, which turns black, and then this all glows darker green and lighter green. Let me give you back of the tongue. We have the Air Jordan from the 4, because we have a 4 Lab 1 here. As you can see, the sock liner, back of the shoe, the guts, all black, sleepy time material, meaning that butter cotton feel, very padded. Let me give you all the ticket to snatch. 10.5, 9.5 UK. Yeah, I decided to do a joint in 10.5 because I got the reflective pair, and it was some issue. They messed up and gave me a 10.5 instead of a 10, so started a little 10.5 collection as well as a 10 with these. So yeah, black insole, black, white Jumpman, laces black, kind of shiny gray tips. Really incredible, good looking shoes. People sleeping on them crazy. They are magnificent. Trust me when I tell you. And you got to see them on in the form. But go ahead, take a look at them for a minute. Hang on. I need 20 seconds because they just came out the box. So let me give it some light so y'all can see really what I'm talking about. We'll make this one short. There ain't really much else to do as far as describing it. Go get you these while they're at this price. Or if you can find them low. I know a few legitimate joints. Next one will be the teal from this lineup. Yeah, those seem to be like the most expensive right now. Like everybody's copping the collection. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. But when I tell y'all these are ridiculous, they are. Jumpman kind of glows on this box. I don't know if it's a little different, but there you go. What attracts me is that outer. The mid turns black, as you can see. The laces. See how we have labbed out the netting. So everything's still distinguished. From the swoosh to the Jordan. Now you can see the toe cap, toe box, inside of the shoe, the outer sole. How bright them joints are. I mean, they're bananas. And the camera does no justice. These just got pulled out. They shining, but probably not gonna catch it on camera. I don't want to take up too much time with this, but definitely a good look, a dope shoe, especially for the youngsters or whatever. I'm feeling them. Man, you step out in these light up, like they lighten up the room right now. Yeah, you got so much light coming from the glow in the dark that the camera not gonna focus. So there goes that. I don't think I'm gonna edit and do any photos or videos. I mean, edit and put photos. Cause y'all seen them. And tune into the Instagram. You'll have crazy pics. There's the tongue, the upper tongue. The whole tongue is netting. So you have Jumpman Flight from the Jordan 4. Nice patch. Of course, that joint glows. The netting behind it. And there you go. crazy, you know, heat. And it don't cost no $900. These joints are dope. They kind of look like the black reflective a little bit, like without being in the dark. You know, you do have like 3 image, like it looks like lighter and darker here, like the way it hits. Yeah, but we are getting like the lab box, but this one has more of a green glow in the dark feel than the rest. That could be just me right now. Yeah, I think it's just me because I'm looking at some other boxes up there and they look the same. There you go, ladies and gent. He for Days 23, SGK 23, your boy Day here on YouTube. Thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget. Stay tuned. We got more unboxing, more reviews, comparisons. We just need some subscribers to get up. Pause. Like I said, the first sneaker giveaway, we're working on it. Whether it's going to be at 500 subscribers or 1,000. So the quicker we get there, the quicker somebody can get something and do a video showing what he got. So then he can get another extra little free gift. And then we'll start doing raffles and things of that nature and connecting with my peoples and things of that nature. But yeah, here goes some sleepers. You know what I mean? Some really nice Jordans. Same with these CP3 joint ones. Video on that, you know. Youngsters want to get on something that the 4Lab 1 is just the only time it's been done. You know, under 200, 300 bucks. Good shoe. Joint looks good. Got like 3 pairs of them. All these joints that I can get for $130 and then eventually I can get them for 70 or 80. I'm gonna get, you know, instead of wasting $100 on, I don't know, extra gas or a long distance phone call, keep copping them. Very descriptive as always. 4Lab 1, once again, you guys don't know, lab line is labbing out. The 4, the netting. Nike Jordan has labbed it all into the 1 high. Glow in the dark, of course, this one. And there you have it. Y'all be easy. As always, keep it 100, especially with yourself. A lot of gray shoes lately. Gray boys. A lot of gray shoes lately. Alright, y'all be easy.